Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to do manual partition in Ubuntu installation of 24 release something which is latest release of LTS now. Click on manual installation, click on next. Here I have multiple hard drive but I don't want anything, so I will remove all the partitions. But before doing this stuff you need to back up all the data on all the disk. But for now when I'm clicking on this minus icon, that means it will destroy all the data on your hard drive. So back up all the drives data before doing this stuff. I don't want anything, so I am deleting everything. Now you need to create EFI first. For me, I want EFI in this hard drive, so I will select that hard drive. Okay, after that I need this root. Before that I can do swap also. Click on this and enter the amount of swap. You have to write in MBs. Okay, like this, then select swap, then select OK. Now it got created swap. Now I will add root, add and ext4 only, and root and 100 means I will assign 100, that is based on your requirements. You can add any number, then click on OK. After this I need home partition, that I click on here free space and click on this. You can write any. This depends on your usage for home. Actually whatever you do, most stuff will be on home only. All the OS related will be on root. So after this click on OK. See, this is a home partition now. Now I need to click on root. See, all the partitions are done, right? Home and EFI and swap and root. After that you need to click on root and click next. After this all the things will be similar to my previous installation. I will keep the link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys.